Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Let's prepare a celebratory dessert today that is also appropriate for Halloween. Let's see how to make this pumpkin kheer. So pressure cook some pumpkin pieces in some water. Once it is well cooked, drain out the excess water and transfer that into a big pan and mash the pumpkin pieces using a spatula. Cook it for some time so that the water gets evaporated, and then add in some sugar and mix it. Once the sugar gets completely melted, add some ghee and combine it. Now add some condensed milk into it. Mix it really well. Now keep mixing it and add some milk. Boil the mixture till it becomes thick and creamy. Into that add some saffron strands, which gives a nice flavor for the kheer. Finally add some cardamom powder and fried nuts and raisins. I have fried this in ghee, which will really enhance the flavor of the kheer. Now our delicious pumpkin kheer is ready. You can serve it hot or chilled. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.